How to turn on Google Safe Browsing. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on Google Safe Browsing. To do so, first of all, you need to open your Chrome browser, and once you open the browser, here at the top right, you will find 3 vertical dots. Click on those 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner, and once you do so, at the right side, you will find this menu. From here, you need to select Settings, which is located at the very bottom. Once you click on Settings, you will reach to this page. Here from the left panel, you need to select Privacy and Security. Once you click on it, now you will be presented with this page. Here under Privacy and Security, you need to click on this Security option. Once you click on it, now you will be presented with various safe browsing options. Currently, the safe browsing is turned off. You can see no protection is selected currently. Now, if you want to turn on Google Safe Browsing, you need to either select Enhanced Protection or Standard Protection. After selecting one of these options, now you have successfully turned on Safe Browsing. Also, make sure to keep your browser updated for the best protection. So by turning on Safe Browsing, you can enhance your online safety and privacy further. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.